Somatic work bypasses the brain and the stories we tell ourselves, and it shows up as truth in the body. The body doesn't lie to us the way our minds do. Somatic work finds a direct spot in your body where that dis-ease is lodged. That's why holistic healers understand my work, because it's mind, body, spirit. We've got to do some repair work in order to help the part of us that doesn't want to say no, the part of us that doesn't want to care for ourselves first or consider ourselves, the parts of us that don't follow through with what we need because we're exhausted because we've been people pleasing everyone else and meeting other people's needs. When we have something that's bothering us and we don't properly work through that issue, it gets shoved down in our body to deal with later. And what happens is then our body uses up that space for our spirit and our soul and our joy and our aliveness and our gifts, uses up that space in our body to house trauma and conditioning from our past and things that we've heard from our parents or from others that really aren't true for us, but we've internalized. All that stuff takes up space inside of you. And there's less space for your brilliance, less space for your joy, for your genius. And my work wrings out the sponge of your inner life and wrings out the trauma, wrings out the ways that you discount yourself or doubt yourself, ways you're not loving yourself. It wrings it all out. And now you have a sponge that can soak up more of your delicious vitality that can show up in the world in a real healing way. And that's what we're up to. Somatic work helps with that. Without somatic work, it's really easy to get stuck in your head and not actually change. But with somatic work, you can really do some deep change fast. If you're interested in this work, I am starting a Facebook group that I would love for you to join for sensitive healers on how to do somatic work, how to do inner parts work, how to listen and find the self-care that's very specific to you so that you can thrive and give your gifts in a big way. Just put your name in the box below or PM me directly and I'll send you an invitation to my Facebook group for sensitive healers.